Alaikum. Welcome to online support program. Today we are starting Unit 2.2 titled as Glory and Hope, which is an extract from Nelson Mandela's speech. I am Mrs. Nuzhat Rahim Afridi, your English teacher at Army Public School and College, Potohar Complex, Boys Wing. Let me tell you something about the speaker. Nelson Mandela was born on 18th July 1918 in South Africa. Became actively involved in the anti-apartheid movement in his early 20s. In 1942, Mandela joined the African National Congress, and for 20 years he directed a peaceful, non-violent defense campaign against the South African government for its racist policies. In 1993, Mandela was awarded the Nobel Prize for Peace for his efforts to dismantle the country's apartheid system. Mandela became the first president of South Africa in 1994. He was the first black ever selected as the president of South Africa. Like Dr. King Jr., Mandela struggled hard for the equal rights of the Africans. He was a source of inspiration for civil rights activists worldwide. Now the summary of Glory and Hope, or the gist of this speech. Glory and Hope is an extract of a speech Nelson Mandela delivered as the President of South Africa to his countrymen and distinguished leaders on the occasion of his inauguration ceremony on 10th May 1994. Mandela admired their successful and fruitful efforts and struggle on achieving freedom from slavery and many other denials and deprivations. He appreciated them to have achieved justice, prosperity, and for making progress. Mandela says that Africans have been successful in the achievement of their democratic rights after a long, painful struggle. He says that the Africans have played a significant role in attaining their goals. He further says that they must take pledge to liberate all their people free from poverty, suffering, injustice, and other deprivations. He tells them that, irrespective of their color, caste, and creed, to walk with dignity and honor. Mandela dedicates that day to those black who sacrificed their lives for the achievement of equal rights. He advised them to be united and nationally reconciled for the birth of a new world. He asks them never to go back into the state of depression and despair, and not to give up hope and continue struggling against racial discrimination. The desired learning objectives of this Glory and Hope are: the students should be able to understand the significant messages this story conveys, that are why Mandela tries to give the Africans a sense of pride and security, the significance of the inaugural ceremony and the speech Mandela delivers, how Africans got out of the disgusting situation of racial discrimination, tyranny, sexism, injustice, and deprivation, how Africans succeeded in achieving their democratic rights, instead of being considered the skunk of the world, which means that they were condemned and considered contemptible and despicable people in the world, they achieved equal respectable status as others. Why Mandela calls them a rainbow nation? He means to say that the South Africans belong to different races, religions, and cultures. Now the explanation of phrases and words that have been used in this speech. The skunk of the world. Mandela says that in the past the black people of South Africa were considered the most despicable people of the world. They were looked down upon by the other nations of the world. Rainbow nation, belonging to different races, religion, caste, and creed, means diversity. Humanity has taken us back into its bosom the South Africans have been given their due rights, respect, and honor. Sense of pride and security after getting freedom from slavery, racial discrimination, and injustice, the South Africans feel proud, safe, and contented. Now, new vocabulary, words and their meanings. Amnesty, a general pardon, forgiveness, especially for offenses against a government. Apartheid, the official government policy of racial segregation in South Africa against which Nelson Mandela fought. Compatriots, fellow countrymen. Covenant, a binding agreement. Defiance, open or bold resistance. Emancipation, liberation, act of freeing. Exhilaration, liveliness, delight. Inalienable, non-transferable. Jacaranda, a tropical American tree. Mimosa, a tropical shrub. Pernicious, wicked, evil. Racism, abusive or aggressive behavior towards members of another race. Prejudice. Reconciliation, to become friendly again. Spurn means scorn, reject with contempt. Skunk, here means a disgusting person compared with a mammal that ejects an unpleasant smelling fluid. This is all about Glory and Hope, the speech which Nelson Mandela delivered. I thank you all.